Hello all. This is just going to be a quick little update on what's going on with the little one horse famous. As you can see, blocks painted, cylinder and hopper painted, all that stuff's cleaned up in there, all the same stuff as before. All that's really left is the flywheels, crank, battery box, and we've got the base primed. So might be kind of hard to see on camera there, but that's about as close to green as we can get without having to pay $400 for custom paint. So we're gonna try it, see how it works. It looks pretty damn close to us, so yeah, if it doesn't work we can paint it black and then just paint the flywheels red again. It's not a huge deal, but this is the initial stuff we got from Home Depot. Again, it's kind of, you can kind of see it there, but we're over at Home Hardware and they had color match, so, and this is good for implements, outdoor use, tractors. Oh, it's the Frenchy fry side, hold on. Interior, exterior, weather resistant, corrosion resistant, so we'll give that a shot and see how it works. As I say, got the black stripped off there actually the other night. Could have just painted over it, but you know, you can only paint things so many times before it starts looking bad. So got all the black stripped off, and yeah, didn't take too long. Just had some paint stripper and then let that sit for a while, and yeah, sounds like Dad wants to get this on video, so we'll bring you back in a sec here. So there we go, we got a little bit of color on it now, and this should darken up a little bit once it's dry, but we'll probably end up doing 2 coats. I don't think that's too bad a color at all. I say it's close enough, and it's not costing us $400, so yeah, this stuff was 32 bucks, so, and if anybody wants to be picky about it at a show or something, well, they can buy me the paint and then I'll redo it. But yeah, I know the LED lights in here don't really help because it's pulsing and I can see that on the camera, so I apologize, but I don't think that looks too bad. So you get a couple coats on it and yeah, should be good. Then we just need to do the battery box. That looks like it's fairly thin paint, only maybe 1 coat or so, so we will maybe just put a coat of primer on it and see how that goes, and then clean up the flywheels, and then I think that's really about it. All the other parts are done. There's a few things there that need paint on them still, but that's not a big deal. And then yeah, that's really about it. I think that color looks fine. Well, that's what I say, it's going to darken up a little bit from this once it dries. Yeah.
Again, one that we've seen at Cool Spring, who's to say it's 100% identical?
Yeah,
It's not Brewster green.
yeah. Yeah, if you guys are wondering, that's the proper color, was Brewster green, and the red should be Oxblood red. So again, it's close enough for us. I'm happy with that, so I think we will call it a video because I managed to squeeze 5 minutes out of a video here, so I think we'll call it, and we'll talk to you in the next one. And as always, thanks for watching.